the anticipation around Sony's next Alpha Series full-frame mirrorless camera, tentatively called the Sony A7V, has been building. Over recent months, multiple reliable sources have shared rumors that the A7V will hit the market in early 2025, likely between January and March. Though Sony has yet to make an official announcement, insiders suggest that although an announcement could happen as early as late 2024, delays have pushed actual shipping into Q1 of 2025. Timeline. When might we see it? Initially, some leaks indicated that Sony planned to unveil the A7V in October 2024, but this appears to have been postponed. The most credible current rumor is that shipping will begin sometime in the first quarter of 2025, i.e. January-March. The actual announcement may occur at the end of 2024, but its schedule is uncertain due to reported delays in production. One factor influencing this delay is production bottlenecks, affecting the wider camera industry, similar issues that have been acknowledged by companies like Canon in Japan. These include supply chain delays, manufacturing constraints, and possibly restricted availability of components. These problems are believed to have pushed back not just the A7V, but other Sony cameras and lenses. What we know, or believe, so far, specs and features. Because of the lack of official confirmation, the following details should be treated as predictions or rumor summary rather than definitive specs. They come from trusted sources and follow the patterns of what enthusiasts and reviewers expect from a next-gen mirrorless powerhouse. Expected improvements and upgrades. Sensor and image quality. The A7V is thought to retain or refine a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, likely of the AR CMOS/XMR CMOS family. Designed for strong dynamic range and excellent low-light performance. The sensor may be similar or slightly upgraded over what the Sony A7 IV offers, possibly with better readout speed or noise management. Processing, AI and autofocus. There is strong speculation that Sony will integrate an AI chip, perhaps borrowed or informed by technology used in the A9 series, or possibly the rumored A93. The aim of this would be to enhance subject detection and tracking, eyes, animals, possibly vehicles or other fast-moving subjects. Autofocus improvements are a major expectation. Faster, smarter, more reliable tracking. Improvements in subject recognition, predictive tracking, and switching between subject types are often cited in the rumors. Burst speed and shutter. One rumor path predicts a moderate burst speed, say around 10 frames per second when using compressed RAW or JPEG. Another more ambitious scenario suggests pushing toward 20 frames per second,